Hare Krishna, welcome all of you. We have a new course starting. Bhagavad Gita is always fresh and new, even though the ninth time now, but we are so excited to have a journey. And this time it is with 30,000 new participants who have registered. We welcome all of you for this course. And here is a team which will be involved in the administration of this course, and they will be helping you in various aspects of the logistics involved in the course, doing the quizzes, and then participating in the classes, understanding the notes, clearing your doubts. So, Devika Mataji, Hare Krishna, I'd like to say something. Hare Krishna, Devika Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Sorry, my system got crashed. I just log in back through mobile. What is it about, Prabhuji? What should I speak?
Something about
welcoming devotees for the first class.
The logistics. Something about the logistics. Say WhatsApp groups.
Okay. WhatsApp group. Yeah, daily admins will share the chapters, notes, quiz link, and other notes. And also, we request all of you to adhere to the rules of WhatsApp group we have shared in the group. We expect not to share any personal or any other forwards in the group. Please stick to the Bhagavad Gita related question, whatever it is discussed. If you have any questions related to the chapter which was discussed in the morning, you can ask questions in the group and discuss, but not any other personal group. Not any other personal messages. And anytime if you find any difficulty related to logistics, please feel free to contact admins, and we are here to help you and take you through the journey with a very smooth journey.
Hare Krishna. Radha Mataji, you like to add something? Mataji, muting. Unmute Mataji.
Hare Krishna. The volunteers are there to help you. Any questions regarding the course, you feel free to ask us in the group or personally, and we are there to serve you. And you have a wonderful journey, and we are there for the spreading the Krishna consciousness, and you are part of it. Now, let us enjoy the journey, 18 days of this Bhagavad Gita session. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Vandana Mataji, you like to add something?
Yes, sure. So, Hare Krishna, everybody. So, we are here to serve you, and feel free to ask whatever questions you have, and make the most of these 18 days. We all teachers will be guiding you and have a smooth journey. Wherever you feel you want to connect with us individually, please do so. And after the class, there will be a teachable quiz also. So any difficulties, do reach us. Thank you so much. Hare
So there
Krishna.
will be logistics involving how to use WhatsApp. I think everybody use, but some of you may have difficulty using Zoom. Some of you have difficulty using the Teachable, which will be a quiz platform which we are using. That the learning curve is involved in that. Please, we don't disturb. Admins are with you to take you through this. Practically every WhatsApp group has an admin, and they will be introducing themselves in the WhatsApp, and even they will clear all your doubts. We can personally ask them the question. Yes, Kalavati Mataji, would like to add something?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji and everyone. Yeah, we are, as everybody told that we are in the journey, spiritual journey for 18 days. We will help you in every steps in this program, and every day we will share the link before 1 hour before the class, and we open charts for the devotees to ask their queries, and admins are there to help. And after the class also 1 hour charts will be opened, and you can ask your queries, and we will give you all the details about the class and other queries. And every day, each day after the class, the teachable will be uploaded in the Teachable will be uploaded in the link. You have to attend the chapter, and you will get certificate after 18 days course. That's all.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
It does happen when you are using these different platforms. We are not unsure. Those are the personal questions may come. So you can always ask the teachers. So we have also the coordinators in Kannada. Anybody is a coordinator for Kannada now? Yes, you can speak in Kannada. Hi, Sheila. Hi, Shelly. Yeah, you can unmute yourself, Harshali. Any other coordinator in Kannada? Hindi, Mahalakshmi, would like to add something?
हरे कृष्णा, सभी का इस 18 दिन के पाठ्यक्रम भगवत गीता से संबंधित पाठ्यक्रम में सबका स्वागत रहेगा। इस दौरान जो है हमारी यही आशा रहेगी कि कोई अपना कोई पर्सनल मैसेज या फॉरवर्ड मैसेजेस ग्रुप में ना सेंड करे, और जो भी प्रश्न रहेंगे वो आप ग्रुप में 1 घंटे पूर्व और 1 घंटे पश्चात क्लास के पूछ सकते हैं, और किसी भी प्रकार का आपका भी कोई भी संदेह रहेगा आप उसमें पूछ सकेंगे। और हम जो है क्लास के रिलेटेड जो भी नोट्स और प्रश्नोत्तर के पीडीएफ और टीचेबल के लिंक्स जो है आपको रोज भेजते रहेंगे ग्रुप में। और अगर जूम लिंक की ज़रूरत होगी आपको, जो आप ओपन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ग्रुप में जो सेंड हुआ है उसे, तो आप जो है उसे ग्रुप डिस्क्रिप्शन से पा सकते हैं। एंड उसके अलावा जो है हमारी यही आशा रहेगी कि आपका हमारे साथ कृष्ण चैतनामृत में जो यात्रा रहेगी वो सफल रहे और खुशीपूर्वक आपका ये नया वर्ष बीते। धन्यवाद। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna. Yes, Harshali, you like to
Hare
add in
Krishna.
Kannada?
ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ ಸಂಘ ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ನಂತೂರು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. 15 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಪ್ರಶಂಸನೀಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನೇ ಅಡಚಣೆ, ಏನೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ದರೂ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 18 ದಿನ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಸೆಷನ್ ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹರಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ.
Hare Krishna. Uma Mataji, you are in Telugu. You unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji, I'm for English, Prabhuji. If you want, I can explain in Telugu also, Prabhuji, what we are doing.
Yeah, just little.
Andariki namaskaram. Gita 18 days course June nunchi start ayindi. Namnishta Das Prabhuji under guidance valla chala devotees they were joined in these courses. We are very much privileged to join these courses, and you also feel the same after attending the 18 days course. Meeku kuda chala 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 nachutundi. చూడండి, చాలా పవర్ పాయింట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ తో అన్ని పాయింట్స్ చాలా చిన్నగా, కానీ ఏదైతే పాయింట్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉందో ప్రభుజీ అది పవర్ పాయింట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ లో కానీ, మైండ్ టెక్నిక్స్ కానీ, ఇంకా చాలా వీడియోస్ ప్రాక్టికల్ గా ఇస్కాన్ టెంపుల్ నుంచి స్టూడెంట్స్ వాళ్ళు చేసినవి కూడా ప్రభుజీ చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. అందరూ అడ్మిన్స్ ఇంకా టీచర్స్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ లాంగ్వేజెస్, తమిళ్, తెలుగు, కన్నడ, హిందీ, ఇంగ్లీష్ చాలా బాగా చెప్తున్నారు. మీరు కూడా చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. మీరు ఒకసారి జాయిన్ అయినాక మీరు చూస్తారు చాలా చేంజ్, మనకి స్పిరిచువల్ గా మనకి చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఉంటుంది. యూ ప్లీజ్ డూ జాయిన్. మీరందరూ చూడండి, ఈ క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ కండి, చాలా బాగుంది. ఇంకా ఈవెన్ నేను మాత్రం నామనిష్ఠ దాస్ ప్రభుజీ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో అడ్మిన్ గా ఉన్నాను. 6 o'clock అండ్ ఈవెన్ 7 PM. ఇంకా శ్లోక రెజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ చాలా మంది అడుగుతుంటారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ బీన్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ బిఫోర్ ద క్లాస్ సమ్ శ్లోక రెజిస్ట్రేషన్ వాళ్ళు చాలా బాగా శ్లోక రెజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తున్నారు. యూ కెన్ ఫాలో, అండ్ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ ఆల్సో ఇస్ బీయింగ్ డన్. Kirtana also has been done. So before the class also it is more helpful, and after the class also interaction sections, question answer sessions anni untayi. You can reach the admins for that. And even Prabhuji patiently answers each and every question. He has so much patience. Thank you, Prabhuji, for giving me this opportunity. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Okay. हरे कृष्णा. सुरेश नायर जी, आप कौन सा लैंग्वेज में करेंगे? तो वॉल्यूम देखिए.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Am I audible?
Yeah, now.
I am in the English session. O'clock morning.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
I am in the morning session, English, 6 o'clock.
Okay, thank you. We will need your help.
Always a pleasure to serve you and Lord Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Somebody likes to add something? Bhakti Mataji?
Hare Krishna. We will be starting with a wonderful journey of 18 days from tomorrow. Each chapter will be a new learning, and each chapter will be followed by a quiz. It is good if the quiz is done on the same day of the chapter. It will benefit you the most. In case you have any query, please feel free to contact us. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Ganesh ji, you want to add something?
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಕೃಪೆಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಆಗಾಗಲೇ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ 18 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಗೆ ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗಾಗ್ಲೇ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕೃಪೆ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 18 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳಿಗೂ ವಿವರಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಭುಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲಿಂದನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಸಹ ಇನ್ನೂ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನವೂ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಏನೇನು ಅನುಮಾನಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರಿಹರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರವೂ ನೀವು, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಚೇತನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನಗಳನ್ನು ಸುಧಾರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ.
Hare Krishna. Raj, anybody wants to add something which is remaining? You raise your hand. राजेश कुमार जी कुछ जोड़ना चाहते हैं? कौन सा लैंग्वेज है आपका? प्रदोष जी, आपका कौन सा लैंग्वेज है?
Namaskaram. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Telugu, Prabhuji, my language.
Yeah, you can speak in Telugu something.
Yes, Prabhuji. Namaskaramu. Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, Mataji. నేను ఒక హైందవునిగా ఉండి భగవద్గీత ఇప్పటి వరకు తెలుసుకోలేదు. కానీ ఈ యొక్క అవకాశం ఇస్కాన్ వారి ద్వారా వచ్చినందుకు నేను ఉపయోగించుకున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ సెషన్ లోను. సెకండ్ సెషన్ ఇప్పుడు అందరికీ ఈ అవకాశం ఇప్పించినందుకు సంతోషంతో, మరి ఇలాంటి అవకాశం ఎక్కడ దొరకదు, ఉచితమైన అవకాశం. కానీ ఒక 18 రోజులు మాత్రం ఓపికతోని రోజు 1 గంట 2 గంటలు మన సమయాన్ని ఇచ్చినట్లయితే భగవంతుని కృష్ణ లీలలు భగవద్గీత తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఎంతో సంతోషంగాను, మానవ జీవితము ఒక గొప్ప దినము అని భావించడానికి నాకు ఇచ్చిన అవకాశం చాలా గొప్పది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రభుజీ. హరే కృష్ణ.
I have a class at 7 o'clock, so I have to run now. So thank you everybody. Thank you for participating. So it is only with the help of all the administrators the course can go on. Such a huge course with so many people. I am very grateful to all of you to help us. And also by participating in this, you also advance it spiritual life. Okay.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you for giving this opportunity for us. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Pancha kalpataruvacha klasandevi pattanam pavnebhyo vaishnavanamodavaki. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.